Rafik, thank you for joining us at Yodawy. Let's get to it. Quick and very important question.
Everyone is targeting a certain segment in the market. محتاجين نغير شوية ونبقى more innovative about the products. لأن the insurance products are very limited while the need is massive. The other thing is awareness in the society. The cost بتاع medical care is very very high. فبالتالي is helping لكن برضو مش مساعد قوي and this is not enough to raise the awareness. We need to look into different tools to help in that يعني. الحاجة الثالثة is the cost of the insurance نفسه. برضو it's either very expensive or price war. We need to tailor some products in a reasonable price. السنة اللي فاتت بتهيألي كانت درس للكل إن هو you need to change. I would say definitely about digitalization.
Okay.
This is becoming the real gear, and this is the core now. Who goes first and who runs first and automate their process and make it much more efficient and simple. الناس ما عادش عندها استعداد قوي for complicated things and very difficult process to follow. If you really want to go bigger, you have to simplify things. This is an ipso facto. And I guess this is again going in pattern with what's happening.
That's a secret. I can't say this. What we look for is basically the biggest pain points that our partners have, and basically make the process better. We either help you manage your costs better or provide a delightful experience to your customers. At this stage in the ecosystem, this means working very closely with payers on automating approvals for different types of transactions. We're also very focused on helping payers manage their chronic members, giving them better services, better customer experience. We recently also started to work with the health brands, whether pharmaceutical or general health brands, on helping them develop better patient support and outreach programs. So really the objective is to connect the ecosystem, power the change that can happen. I think the biggest challenge has been more of a cultural one. I think there's a misperception that there are barriers to execution and so on. We've seen a lot of change in this mindset through the COVID-19 year. Obviously, consumer demand changed and the requirements changed. The bar is much higher now. We're seeing a new narrative develop now. There is the appetite is different. The cultural components are coming together, and I think soon you'll find a lot of corporates mobilizing resources to actually start implementing new digital initiatives. And there are really kind of hundreds of ideas of things that can be done. The appetite and the endurance is developing now. And I think the appreciation for the impact is different than a year ago. And that's what we're betting. Rafik, thank you. It was an absolute pleasure having you today.
Same here.
But I think it's time to go have dinner.
Absolutely.
يلا بينا.